KFC versus Raising Cane's The Ultimate Fried Chicken Showdown. Listen up, you lot. Today it's a bloody fried chicken showdown. We've got two heavyweights in the ring, KFC, the Colonel's greasy spoon, and Raising Cane's, the new kid on the block with a cult following. We're talking crispy skin, juicy meat, and flavor that'll knock your socks off. We're diving deep into their menus, tasting every bloody piece, comparing prices, and examining their success to crown the true chicken champion. So, are you Team KFC or Team Raising Cane's? Let me know in the comments, you donkey. KFC, the Colonel's finger-licking empire. First up is KFC, the OG of fried chicken. The Colonel built an empire on his secret recipe of 11 herbs and spices. That recipe's been locked up tighter than Fort Knox. KFC's got a menu that'll make your head spin. Original recipe, extra, crispy, hot and spicy. They've got a chicken for every palate. And the sides, mashed potatoes, coleslaw, biscuits, a carb lover's dream. But let's be honest, it's all about the chicken. That crispy skin, seasoned to perfection, and juicy meat. Yeah, the Colonel knew what he was doing. Overall, KFC's a classic for a reason. It's familiar, comforting, and delicious. Raising Cane's, one bird, one focus. Next up, we've got Raising Cane's, the young upstart with a laser focus. Chicken fingers. That's right. No burgers, no salads, just chicken fingers done right. And you know what? They're bloody good at it. Cane's keeps it simple. Crispy, juicy chicken tenders, crinkle-cut fries, Texas toast, coleslaw, and their legendary Cane's sauce. That's it. No fancy menu, no complicated orders, just pure, unadulterated chicken finger goodness. And let me tell you, that Cane's sauce is something special. It's creamy, tangy, slightly peppery, and utterly addictive. I could drink the bloody stuff. It's the perfect complement to their crispy, juicy chicken. Now, some might say Cane is limited. They be right, but sometimes less is more. They've taken one thing and absolutely perfected it. If you're looking for a no-fuss, delicious chicken finger experience, Raising Cane's is your new best friend. Chapter 3, KFC's flavor, 11 herbs and spices of glory. KFC's chicken is legendary for its unique blend of 11 herbs and spices. It's savory, crispy, and slightly peppery. You can taste the history in every bite. It's the taste of childhood and family gatherings, enjoyed by millions around the world. The original recipe is a classic, perfect balance of crispy skin and juicy meat. KFC's chicken is a true icon, a testament to the Colonel's genius. Chapter 4, Raising Cane's, the art of the tender and sauce. Raising Cane's, on the other hand, is all about the freshness. They use only fresh, never frozen chicken tenders, and it shows. The meat is incredibly tender and juicy, with a delicate flavor that lets the Cane sauce shine. And speaking of the Cane sauce, it's the star of the show. It's tangy, creamy, slightly peppery, and utterly addictive. It's the perfect dipping sauce for their crispy chicken tenders, and it elevates the entire meal. The chicken itself has a light, crispy coating that doesn't overpower the flavor of the meat. It's perfectly seasoned, allowing the freshness of the chicken to come through. Some might say it's simple, but sometimes simple is best. Raising Cane's has mastered the art of the chicken tender, and their sauce is the icing on the cake. If you're a fan of fresh, flavorful chicken with a killer dipping sauce, Raising Cane's is a must-try. The verdict: who wears the fried chicken crown? So there you have it. 2 fried chicken titans, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. KFC, the classic champion with its iconic flavor and variety, and Raising Cane's, the focused contender with its fresh, juicy tenders and legendary sauce. Both restaurants serve up a damn good plate of fried chicken, but the winner ultimately comes down to personal preference. Do you crave the Colonel's secret blend of 11 herbs and spices and the comfort of familiar flavors? Or do you prefer the simplicity and freshness of Raising Cane's, where the chicken and sauce take center stage? Let me know your pick in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more epic food battles.